Hello everybody, it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you guys could join me for a Tuesday tip. Hey, a question I get asked quite often is, Connie, what is the difference between a framelit, a thinlit, and an edgelit? When you flip through the Stampin' Up! Catalog and you're looking at all the different dies, we see framelit, thinlit, edgelit. What is the difference? Today I'm going to share with you a quick tip explaining the difference between the three, and I think it's going to help clear up a lot of confusion. So let's get started. So for today's Tuesday tip, I'm going to use the Colorful Season stamp set matched up with the seasonal layers, framelits, thinlits, edgelits. Let's talk about this set in particular because we have one of each. We have framelits, we have thinlits, and we have edgelits. We're going to start with framelits. The best way to describe a framelit is that it is going to frame a stamp. Let me show you. Here are a couple samples of what I would call a framelit. So I can ink up that leaf, I can ink up a flower, and I have a frame for my stamped image. So I could take these over to the Big Shot, die cut these, and of course you can see I have a framed stamped image. Now thinlits are a little bit different because they typically don't have a stamp that goes with them. They're meant to stand alone. Let me show you. So here in Colorful Seasons, I have this great Adirondack chair, but I don't have a stamp that goes with it. Or maybe one of these great big detailed snowflakes. Again, they're meant to stand alone. So I could just die cut that leaf. I could just die cut that chair. And as you can see, we have standalone pieces. And you notice thinlits also tend to have a lot of details cut out of them, as you see here in the chair and in the leaf. Another thing I want to point out about many of our Big Shot sets is that many times you're going to have a thinlit, remember the detail, and it can layer on top of a framelit. For instance, you can see how we can kind of create a little two-tone leaf, or it can just be used as an accent kind of off to the side. So many times you're going to see the detail along with, so a thinlit along with a matching framelit. And the last sample would be an edgelit. And an edgelit is just that, something that will cut an edge on your card. And you can see in the Seasonal Layers framelit set that we have an edgelit. Let me show you. You simply lay the edgelit on the edge of your cardstock. This could be a full-size card or just a strip. And when you run that through your Big Shot, it's going to look like that. So now we have a really great little detailed edgelit for any card. There you go. I hope that clears up any confusion you may have had about the difference between framelits, thinlits, and edgelits. But you know, really what it comes down to, they're fabulous. They're just fabulous. They're all three fabulous. Now, if you are new to paper crafting, maybe you've just started stamping, I do want to encourage you to kind of start to look at getting into the Big Shot dies. Guys, it's going to take your paper crafting to a whole new level. I'm telling you, once you can start having those images die cut, you can pop them off of your cards and you can really detail and decorate a card. It's incredible. I'm telling you, it's life-changing. I highly recommend them. Now, if you would like some more information about the dies that I use today, you can head over to SimplySimpleStamping.com and just look for the March 26th, 2019 blog post. That's where I'll have all the information about the one I used here. And if you'd like more information just about paper crafting in general, be sure to check out SimplySimpleStamping.com. So much inspiration waiting for you there. Guys, thank you so much for being here today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and YouTube will let you know when I'm back with more stamping inspiration. So until the next time, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.